Yeah, that was it. Stick with pies. They did a good job. This is a good Thanksgiving selection. We would definitely try some more pies if they had some more ideas. Any pies that you would love for them to try?
Oh, I have no idea.
Like a cherry pie. I would enjoy the cherries, and the cherry cream or jelly, and then I'd spit out the cherries for sure. Because I don't like cooked fruit, with the exception of like 2 things. I would spit out the cherries. Or like, have they done a cheesecake? I don't know if crumble has done a cheesecake. Is that a pie? I know that's been a debate. There's
I guess if I'm cheating, then a lemon meringue just to see what you would do with that.
Lemon meringue versus a key lime pie. Comment below on a pie that you would love for crumble to maybe feature one day.
Do some more of the graham cracker crust. That's the one that I think you did the best way. You can still do the chocolate-based stuff, but yes, stay away from whatever that traditional crust is with the pumpkin pie.